Hey everybody, it's Mr. Citron in the permafrost tunnel. I'm going to take three temperature readings. One of the liquid at the base of the tunnel and see if there's going to be a difference between the temperature there as well as along the side of the tunnel where it looks like there is solid ice mixed with mineral and soil. And then the top of the tunnel, which are these what look like beautiful projections, solid crystal ice. So I'm going to use my probe. I hope you can see it. And we're going to create three graphs. The first is of the water, and everything around is frozen. So why do you think the water might not be frozen? So I'm going to stick my probe in. I'm going to keep it in there for a period of time. I'm going to press collect. And we're going to start to collect data. And as you see, oh, that's so cool. Check it out, everybody. So do this for about 20 seconds until we get a consistent reading.
Are you talking to the camera on the plastic sample? Yeah, he's out there in the tunnel. Oh, okay.
Okay. And it should be fairly consistent, at least that's what I think. And again, we're 15 feet from the surface, and I'm wearing size 11 boots. And I'm a size 9. Okay, so I don't know what the standard is for temperature, but let's just do it for a minute. Boom. Okay, so I'm going to stop. I'll title this later. Hopefully I'll remember. And let's do a new experiment. Oops, save that one. Oh, no, shoot. Well,
do you need help with any of the filming stuff?
No, it's okay.
Is it okay if I head back?
Yeah, no, I'm totally fine. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. Well, we'll call down and check up on you.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
All right. So now I'm going to do, let's find a better spot. Let's do, and it's fairly dark in here. Very cool. Very, 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 very cool. And this is why you should be a scientist, because this stuff is like, if you like adventure and you like science, you should be a field scientist. This is, you don't get better than this. Okay, so, and now I'm going to take the temperature of the side of the tunnel, and let's look at its physical characteristics. Can you see? And Mr. Citron doing some underground permafrost tunnel research. And if you notice, it looks like it's a little warmer. That's really kind of intriguing. Maybe it'll get colder. This is our second graph. And it's staying consistent at about -4°C. Okay, and we're going to do one more reading. I'll stop that. In our next reading, what we're going to do with the vernier probe is the ice crystals above me, which are spectacular. Oh, there you see some. Whoa. I'm cracking them left and right with my big head. I never thought I had a big head. Our next reading is going to be the ice crystals. Are you ready? Okay. There is one end of the tunnel, and there's the other. And there's a ladder that I'm going to climb up out of the tunnel. And I'm pretty impressed with myself. No claustrophobia, nothing. So let me put the probe here. I'm gonna have to, well, actually, can I suspend it anywhere? That would be really cool if I could. Nope. Well, that's gonna be hard to do. So I'm just gonna have to hold it. Oops. Okay, you ready? We're gonna do one more, do a new experiment. One more new experiment. New experiment. Save that second one. Now that's, and, whoops, new experiment. Okay, save, save, save. Okay, and, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, all right, and let's collect new data. Awesome. So I have the thermometer suspended in the ice. We're about 4 feet from the bottom of the tunnel. The wireless thermometer is positioned so that it's embedded in the ice. And let's see what kind of temperature I'm getting here. And here I'm getting 4 degrees Celsius. So it seems like everything around, and of course, I dropped the probe. That was not good. I'm just gonna put it in here. Actually, I'll put it in here. And, and I don't know if I broke it. Did I break it? Nope, I didn't break it. Oh, these things are durable. I have to write to the company. And it looks like in the ice, I am getting, I really can't see. Maybe you guys can see it. Well, I'll know in a bit. We'll do this for another 10 seconds. Check it out. Okay, we'll stop. So, you know, if I were to ask, what kind of research, what kind of data would you like to acquire from this tunnel, given where I'm at, features of climate change, not features of climate change, the effects of climate change? What would you come up with? And, you know, you'd have to think about what are the features that make this kind of environment and what kinds of things might change it. So we want to look at, even though nothing is static, we want to know what the stable or relatively stable conditions are for this environment, and then track it over time to see if it changes. And so understanding the dynamics of this tunnel and where it's heading, if it's heading anywhere, if it's changing, it's kind of research that, you know, I think we might want to explore. So the first thing that I'm doing that's fairly simple, of course, digging this tunnel is quite the challenge. But the thing that I did, which was pretty simple, is I was just looking at a very simple temperature profile. Obviously not really great science because I'm doing it in too short a period of time. I'm just sort of testing the instruments out. Anyway, this is Mr. Citron, and I'll see you guys later.